Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm so glad you're here with me today. We're diving into the biggest home decor mistakes that might be silently ruining the beauty of your space. If your home feels unfinished, cluttered, or awkward, you might be making these common decorating mistakes. The first mistake is letting clutter completely take over your tables, shelves, and visible storage spaces everywhere. Too many random items spread around the room instantly make it feel messy, chaotic, and overwhelming to guests. The fix is simple. Adopt a less is more mindset and use storage options that still look stylish. Baskets, trays, and organizers keep things hidden but neat while blending perfectly into your overall design. The second mistake is relying on only one harsh ceiling light as the main lighting source. This often makes the entire space look flat, cold, unwelcoming, and very one-dimensional no matter what. Instead, layer your lighting with table lamps, floor lamps, fairy lights, and warm LED bulbs. Layered lighting completely transforms the atmosphere, making your space cozy, inviting, and visually much more dynamic. Another common mistake people make is ignoring scale and proportion when selecting their furniture or rugs. Placing oversized sofas in tiny rooms or small rugs in huge spaces instantly looks awkward and strange. The solution is simple. Measure the room before buying so your furniture maintains balance and proportion correctly. Choose pieces that fit comfortably, leave breathing space, and create visual harmony across the entire area. The fourth mistake is mixing too many random colors in one space without any guiding color scheme. When shades clash and nothing flows together, the room feels chaotic, accidental, and lacks design consistency. To fix this, choose one base color and then two accent shades that naturally complement each other. For example, neutral walls with soft-toned furniture and bold cushions or rugs to add personality. This way, your design feels intentional, balanced, and visually pleasing instead of random or disorganized. Another mistake people often overlook is leaving their walls completely empty, blank, and without character. Bare walls make your space feel cold, unfinished, and almost like you just moved in. The fix is affordable. Add framed art, mirrors, shelves, or even personal photos for warmth. You don't need expensive pieces. Even DIY art or budget prints can make a difference. Let's quickly recap the 5 major mistakes that can ruin the look of your decor. Too much clutter, bad lighting, poorly scaled furniture, random chaotic colors, and of course, bare walls. Fixing even one or two of these problems can completely change how your space feels. Small, thoughtful changes are often more powerful than a complete, expensive home makeover project. Always think about balance, comfort, and adding elements that reflect your personality and lifestyle. Plants, cozy textiles like rugs and cushions, and warm layered lighting bring fresh energy anywhere. Your home doesn't need to look like a perfect showroom. It should feel personal and inviting. Which of these mistakes do you recognize in your own living room, bedroom, or home? Don't feel bad. We've all been guilty of at least one or two of these. The good news is every mistake can be fixed with simple, affordable, thoughtful adjustments. Start with the easiest step. Maybe declutter, add better lighting, or update one of your walls. You'll notice results instantly, and small improvements often grow into a complete transformation later. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the like button below. And of course, subscribe to the channel for more design tips, decor ideas, and styling inspiration. I'll be sharing budget-friendly hacks, style guides, and creative room makeovers in upcoming videos. Thank you so much for spending your time with me. I really appreciate it. That's all for today's video, and I'll see you again very soon right here. Until then, stay inspired, keep experimenting, and as always, happy decorating, everyone.